are so excited to our jewelry live on today. Now we have a new name because it's not all 4 of us experts going to be doing it from now on. It's going to be a quicker 10-15 minute with 2 experts, and we're going to show all 4 types.
Just quick.
Yep, and we're calling it our Unboxing Live. So we're unboxing these beautiful jewelry items that we want to share with you and showing you every single types.
Real fast. And of course, there'll be more than we can even show because we have so many great things, but we just picked some of our favorites in combinations we think you will love.
And if there's anything we're not showing that you wanted to see, make sure you put it in the chat box so that we can actually know they want to see this, so that we can like pull it out and show it to you.
Because we do have the other things here in a box. So
if
we missed something, you want to see it.
Yes. Okay, so we have 3 looks for each type, and the most beautiful thing ever is it's Memorial Day sale happening right now.
Right now.
So all of these jewelry items are 20% off. Now, even better, if you are a lifestyle member, you get an extra 10% off your jewelry order. So May 10 is your code for an extra 10% off of your jewelry items.
Plus free shipping.
Crazy. Let me make sure I got that code right. For some reason, I'm feeling like maybe I got it a little wrong. Let's look. May 20. Oh, it's 20% off. Even better.
What? So you get 20% off and then 20% off.
20% off.
Which
20%
is
off.
not 40% off.
It's like 35.
30, yeah, somewhere in that range.
36 and a half. Something like that. But awesome. So that might even be something for you to sign up lifestyle today so you can get that extra discount and free shipping. So.
Definitely. It'll pay for it.
It will.
Yeah.
All right, let's start with type 1 stuff. Okay, so the first look I've got put together is this really cute bow. Now, I'm loving how the bows are like such a big trending item right now. These ones are darling. I've got about 5 of them on a row. Then my beautiful earrings are twinkle charm earrings, which has almost a similar bow, but it's just a little bit different enough that it's a little disconnect, which is fun. And then the drop pearls. There's also little pearls in this bow necklace, so I love the look together. And my pearl headband also
tops it off. You look so glamorous.
And then I'm wearing this bracelet. We love the
magnetic
clasp bracelets.
So
this one is radiant rounds. Why am I struggling? It's because it's
because you're pressured.
There we go. That was way easier than I made it look. Okay, radiant rounds. It is really cute. It's got the 2 circles on it and these leather white and gold bands.
So versatile. That's like a wear with anything. And different levels of dress too. It could be casual or like dressed up depending on how you put it.
Exactly.
Super easy to
do
wear.
So many different things with it. Yeah. Okay, next. Paint the town bracelet. Okay, my little Henry came in earlier today and he was like, I love those. And I was like, I know. Look, they've got little speckles in them. Blue, pink,
and they're marble,
gold.
So they have a really nice natural feel. Yes. They're stone.
They're nice and cool for the summer.
Yes,
like
I love that.
Like
feeling.
temperature wise,
yeah,
they feel very cool, which is lovely.
Literally and metaphorically cool.
Yes. Okay, then I paired it with this pink necklace. It's got this beautiful bow, a little bow dangle on it. Bow dangle, bow jingle. Roses and violets is what it's called.
Yeah, because the little stones are multiple colors, and they're also natural stone as well. So you get variation.
Such a beautiful piece. You can see where it hangs to. Love that. Beautiful.
So cute.
Okay, and then I wanted to pair it with some hoopy-ish earrings. And these ones are so fun because they have a gold strand and a diamond strand.
Just gives them that movement.
Yes, they're called glow up earrings. Do you see diamond, gold band, diamond band, gold band?
Just having a little party there, dancing with each other.
Okay. And they are nice medium.
Just that perfect size.
So love it. That's such a cute set. And then the last one I have for us is a yellow set.
Yellow.
A lot of times I like to mix colors, but
these complement
each other so well that I'm like,
so cute. Okay, I'm so glad you put them together.
Gotta try these things. Okay, Lemon Love earrings. It's got the Darling Daisy with the drop heart. And I'm going to put the heart facing towards my face. You could do it the other way around too. Whichever one you feel like you want. You can switch it up the next day and have it be a little bit different of a look by going like this. Ta-da! The heart's facing the other way
Receiving
now.
love or giving love.
Yes.
Just whatever you're feeling that day.
I want to receive love today. So I'm gonna receive it like that. Okay, cute. All right, and then got this Cheerful Choice necklace. It's a set of little flowers. Hold still. Isn't that cute?
So
just
fun.
Dainty, darling, delightfulness. And I have a red shirt on And so the yellow just looks so cute with red.
So cute. That pop.
It's, maybe not a combination you wear very often, but that's the fun thing about Dressing Your Truth is it's just like, I'm going to try all these colors together.
Because you don't have to have the guesswork of like, do these colors match? Yes,
Right.
Of course they match because they're all a tint, tone, shade, or a hue.
They all harmonize. So you can see where that drops just right below the collarbone. Got my yellows together. So fun.
So nice. So nice. So we're going to jump into type 2. These are some, this is like probably one of my favorite collections for type 2 because they're so unique.
And so much color.
Like, yeah, so many beautiful things. It's not just your typical like oval teardrop, we have some fun things going on. So this first set I'm going to show you. These pearls, this is a leather cord with, these are actual freshwater pearls. And once again, magnetic, so easy to wear. So you take these and you put these with these beautiful brushed, I think they're like, snowdrops.
Oh,
but it's a laser cut on a brushed silver. And then you put that with this lovely,
I love
transformation necklace.
Of course I do. It's got a butterfly.
Right. But look, all those, it's like a sweet botanical, very natural. Like really any secondary could wear this with, this would be so cute for secondary one because it's got that little bit of whimsy.
Yes.
So wrapped in pearls bracelet and pictured beauty for the earrings. Love that. Now, if you want to go for a little more of a polished look, this would really appeal to a secondary type 4.
And these are even crossovers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Into the type 4 store.
These could totally be crossovers. So this is the high shine polish. You have 3 teardrops paired with this beautiful, see that complementary shape, but they're not exactly the same. And then this beautiful link in the chain, very smooth. Yes, these totally, absolutely could cross over for type 4. It would totally work, but great for secondary type 4 with this one.
Lovely.
And then our final one for type 2, this is going into great for secondary type 3. Sorry, I didn't do those in order that way. This bracelet has 3 strands. They have links on one side and then beads on the other, mixed with wood and pearl. So again, it's that very natural, cool, comfortable, very soft stretch.
I love that also has like the chain and the baubles. I know you pointed those out.
Such a beautiful textured mix.
So
and
pretty.
Pair these are all going to have that white silver tone. So these are a teardrop, but look at that beautiful detail. So the outside band
beads on the other
has a nice bump. There you go, Echo.
I'm trying to get our comments.
With the beautiful cutting. And then I think pairing that with this lovely necklace. This is a 2-strand. Trying to hold them all at once. Probably not a good idea.
Well, I love that you're showing the whole look together, which is perfect.
These are also the white, so they're brushed. So you can see
brushed silver is so beautiful.
all of these have that white tone. So the necklace is in essence, marble made bracelet and my beloved earring. These are just, and every course, depending on how you style with your outfit, any secondary can wear any of these, but this has a little more substance and texture. So this might appeal to a secondary 3.
Yes. Lovely. Okay, type 3s. All right, we've got a lot of great color in here. So I'm really excited to share the set with you. All right, look number 1, we're going to go with the turquoise or the peacock blue. This really awesome bracelet. I love that it has this like big bold piece. This is called Solar Reef. And it's elastic.
And it's wood beads with the shell. So it has natural, but it's also really lightweight. So you get that nice substance without it being heavy.
Yes, it is very light. Now, don't feel weird if I put it on, okay? It's type 3, but I am type 1. Just showing you how it looks on. Okay. All right. I'm going to want to pair it with A Piece of Egypt. They've got that same blue. Look at that. Got the dark blue and the light blue.
So great.
So really fun combination together. And then I'm going to mix up your world just a little bit and add some red to it.
What?
And we're going to do this Charms of Passion necklace. So it's got this red with this really dainty little charm here, which I think is really kind of fun because you got the bold piece in the earring and the bracelet, and then just a little bit more of a smaller piece on the necklace to not take the whole look. So this might be a secondary 2 kind of look together. So that's a really fun piece. And then all gold for look number 2, Golden Waves bracelet. Now everybody look, my magic trick. Just open it up.
Okay. So it's not a messy cuff, but it looks like a cuff.
Yes, it looks like
a cuff. But you get the stretch.
But it is an elastic, which is so nice.
I mean, who wants to fuss with clasps and bangle?
Nobody does.
These
are
are so
20
fun.
earrings. Okay, these are like little circles. Your ear goes in between them, so then you see this on the outside,
and it just snaps.
But so cute, so
glamorous.
And then this gold necklace called Sunfire. It's got 2 strands, and it's got the more what would you call this?
It's like little nuggets.
Like golden nuggets.
Yeah.
I was thinking that too.
And then you have
Little
a snake
nuggets
chain.
and then the snake chain, which is so cool.
So you
So
get the
all
dynamic
3
layering.
of these together.
So cool. And that'd be so fun to wear with really crazy colors.
Yes.
So you get
All those vibrant colors
Yeah.
that you put together and you
some
just
really intense
set
coloring.
it off with that jewelry. Okay, and then this one, and we're going to like more of our natural woods and things like that. So we've got this beaded necklace, gold flecks of gold. Do you see the little gold flecks on it? It's so pretty. And then this bracelet is oak and aura, and I love these wood beads. Well, they look like wood, but
Yeah, they're stone. I think they might be, I can't remember the name of stone. They are natural, semi-precious stone.
so beautiful. Elastic again, love that. And then these groovy earrings. This nice lacquered piece, really cool angles to it, and it's like not a perfect triangle, which is absolutely perfect. So these 3 items together is our third look.
Great.
For type 3.
Wood. Wonderful. So with type 4, we have some fun color. This whole set, I really searched out color for all of us, and we found some amazing pieces in our shopping. So you'll remember we had these in silver last year, and we had them for gold for type 1 and type
huge.
These
Love
are
them.
so comfortable,
Mhm.
so incredibly comfortable. So we did the blue last month, and they are larger. This is a smaller, so this is more on the scale of the silver ones from last year. But this is my secret with these. These are my napping earrings. Because you can lay down, and the way they fall when you lay down,
They're so comfortable.
they don't poke. They don't poke.
That's amazing.
So you don't get the poking. It lays flat. So these are my resting earrings. Like if I'm having a little bit slower day and I know I'm going to take a nap or have some rest time, I wear the shades because they give this great impact and I feel put together, but they're super duper comfortable to lay on. So I know it sounds funny, but they're my napping earrings.
No, that's so good to know because I'm a big napper. Now I know I wear my gold ones.
You wear your gold ones. You could get these. These are crossover for type 1 too.
Oh yeah, because they're not like a super hot pink. They have got a little bit of iridescence to them.
Yeah, so they have the icy shimmery quality. So these are pink mirage, and then the necklace I paired them with is the silver torrent. So it's like 2 little raindrops coming down. This would also be a crossover for type 2.
Yes.
But so beautiful, high shine, very sleek, lovely to wear. The next set I'm going to show you is all about color as well. We have blues, and we had a pair of earrings that also are in these blue colors. I'm not showing those today with the set, but you could totally do that. These earrings we're going to complement the look with. So these are our luminous earrings. So one side has rhinestones and the other side
pretty
is not. So
I love those kind of the hooks too.
Yeah, they're so easy. You just put them
and
through.
They'll stay with all of the movement.
You don't have
your type
to,
4s.
Yeah.
You're not going to be moving that much.
Well, I mean,
but
they don't fall out.
They don't fall out.
You don't have to worry about them coming out as I'm just like fussing because
they pass the roller coaster test.
Exactly. You totally could do these. These would pass the roller coaster. You ready for it? You ready?
I'm ready.
I can't wait.
Those are so beautiful.
And these are also magnetic, and it's pretty simple.
What?
I know, right? You just put it through this little loop. Ooh. There's all this pressure because we're being watched.
It is a lot of pressure.
But normally it doesn't. There we go.
There we go. That was fast.
So it's a spectrum of blue. Isn't that pretty?
So beautiful.
So lovely. And then I'm going to wear it with our Carne Cascade. I did not name this one. I don't know what that means.
Tim or Brielle?
Karen? I don't know. It probably means something.
Cascade.
I should have looked it up. We did some fun a naming party, and other people had input this time. So, there I go, having 2 necklaces on. But I guess, we're just doing this fast. You just want to see where it lands.
Yes.
So there we go. Beautiful. Isn't that lovely? So cool. So the earrings that go with this are like this. Yes. So you could wear like a set matchy. I decided 2 like blue in all 3 places would probably be a bit much. So I did the bracelet here, but you could do with the bracelet with the earrings, with the plain silver necklace, or vice versa. Mix them up. I probably wouldn't do all blue together unless you were going for a really monochromatic look with maybe like a black dress or something. Yes. That could look cool.
Like for a fancy event.
Yeah. I feel like when you match, it like makes it fancier.
It does.
You think so?
Yes. Agree.
Yeah. So like matching all the way across would give you like a formal look, and that would be beautiful and lovely there. I'm going to keep this bracelet on because it totally works with my next pieces. We are doing white, and this necklace and earring are so cool. So this necklace could totally be a crossover with type 2 as well.
So pretty.
Beautiful freshwater pearl on these beautiful. Now I know this is a snake chain because it's round, but I don't know if it's called a snake chain when it's flat. But anyway, you get it. And this is a white silver. So this has that beautiful, softened, glowy silver rather than the high shine. Get that off my button there. So pretty. So
I
elegant.
love that. And it drops so perfectly.
Yeah, and I only had half an earring in that time.
I've done that lots. I'll show you these things. Like, just look at my left ear. Okay?
You just have one earring. There we go. We're just doing that. These are called boho brights, and they're white, and they're really, really clean white. They are a shell that's been polished. So they have a very light, very comfortable feel on a nice high shine silver hook. I like these, especially because I have dark hair. Sometimes the darker earrings,
contrast.
I can't see them,
those.
but yep, they really pop there for me. So loving these. These are so lightweight and easy to wear. So many fun things.
Okay, I haven't seen any requests for any new or different items to show. So if you have any requests right now, put them on in, or we'll be able to just kind of be like, go shop! Memorial Day sale, Lifestyles May 20. You get an extra 20% off of your jewelry order. Now, with the Memorial Day sale, everything's on sale.
Right.
Anti-aging, all of our makeup,
Mm-hmm.
Our style kits. So go ahead and go pick out some amazing things for you for the Memorial Day sale.
Yes.
Anything? Nope. Okay, cuties. Thanks so much for being here with us. And
I almost forgot. Carol
yes.
has a big surprise.
Have you been seeing on the socials? She's got something she wants to reveal to you. So June 2nd at 7 p.m. Mountain Time on Facebook Live, we will be doing her reveal of something extraordinary.
Mm-hmm. I haven't seen it, but my sister did, and she said it's very exciting.
Yes, it is very exciting. Yeah, she's got something with her hair, and she'll reveal it on June 2nd. All right, thank you all so much. We'll see you next time.
See ya.